The backbone of any successful retail business is a robust point-of-sale system, a vital tool that streamlines transactions and enhances customer experience. It's more than just a cash register. It's a comprehensive solution that manages transactions, tracks inventory, and records essential sales data. With a solid POS system in place, businesses can improve customer satisfaction, streamline operations, and ultimately drive growth. A well-integrated POS system, like the one offered by Engonus, is instrumental in driving business success. Now, let's dive into the POS function of Engonus, an all-inclusive ERP solution with APP and Iiot integration. This function is conveniently located under the Sales section in the left side menu. Upon selection, a familiar cash register screen materializes, showcasing your featured products, those marked as such in your warehouse. This intuitive design makes it easy to navigate and manage your point-of-sale operations. With Engonus's POS function, managing your retail operations becomes as easy as a click. Navigating through Engonus's POS function is a breeze. Here's how it works. First, select your desired warehouse, seller, and customer. For those anonymous transactions where an invoice isn't necessary, simply create a client named Cash. This innovative feature keeps the process streamlined and efficient. The products you see are the ones you've registered in your warehouse, marked as Feature for easy access. And don't worry about tax calculations, Engonus has got you covered. With the system automatically applying the necessary taxes, Engonus ensures smooth and compliant transactions every time. Finalizing the transaction is just as easy with Engonus's POS function. Once the product is added, the next step is to process the payment. With a range of payment methods available, you can select the most appropriate one. In this case, let's say we choose cash. Upon selection, a pop-up window prompts us to input the amount received from the customer. The system then automatically calculates the exact change, streamlining the process. Engonus's POS function, a comprehensive solution for businesses with a physical point of sale, making transactions seamless and efficient.